Hello students, this is second lesson Adarsha Gunaha. This Adarsha Guna lesson have been taken from the book Ramayana. That Ramayana book have been written by a great scholar Valmiki sage. In this Ramayana there are 7 chapters: Balakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, like this. From those chapters, some shlokas have been taken you as a syllabus for this year. Then what all things have been written in this Ramayana? In this Ramayana, Valmiki wrote a moral of the life. How should we live in this society? By listening those values, morals of the epic, we can follow those rules and regulations in our life, and we can live a very happy life. Once Valmiki asked Narada, who is a good person in the world? Sampratam loke gunavan kascha viryavan. Amongst all the people. That time Narada told the characters of Rama to Valmiki. Those only characters have been written by Valmiki in this Ramayana. So, we'll study today the Adarsha Gunaha lesson. Why Rama is very good? Because opponent of very deadly opponent of Rama is Ravana. He is also expressed good qualities of Rama in front of his friend Maricha. So we should have the qualities of Rama in our life. We should follow and we live a very happy life. For that sake, we must read the Ramayana. So we'll start with the text. First shloka. इक्ष्वाकु वंश प्रभवो रामो नाम जनैश्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यो द्युतिमान धृतिमान वशी. Ikshvaku Vamsha Prabhavaha means Rama got birth in Ikshvaku dynasty. He called Rama by all the people. Niyatatma, he is having control over all his body organs in his control. Mahavirya, very strongest person. Dyutiman, a very good attractive personality he is having. He is a very intelligent person. Buddhiman, Nitiman, Vagni, Shriman, Shatru Nibarhanaha, Vipulamso, Mahabahu, Kambugrivo, Mahahanuhu. That Rama is a very intelligent person, Buddhiman, Nitiman, very follower of the all rules in his life, Vagni, a good orator, very kindly person. He's having power to beat enemies in any way. If enemies are coming, he can beat them in the war field. That type of power he is having. Vipulamsaha. Vipulamsaha means a good long hands. Vipulamsa means when we stand, our hand must touch the knee of our knee, our body. That type of, if anybody is having that type of hands, then he called as Vipulamsaha. Mahabahu, a good shoulders. Kambugrivaha means he's having a neck like a conch. Mahahanuhu, good cheeks he is having. Dharmadnyaha satyasandhascha prajanam cha hiterataha yashasvi jnana sampannaha shuchihi vashaha samadhiman. Dharmadnyaha, he knows every dharma of the world. Satyasandha, truth teller. Every time he tells truth only. Prajanam cha hiterataha, he every time he thinks about the life of people of the country. How can they live their life very happily? For that sake he is thinking about themselves. Yashasvi, a very good successor in his life. Jnana sampannaha, he is having a good knowledge. Shuchihi, very good character. Vashaha, he is having attractive personality. Samadhiman, Samadhiman means a very control over his mind. Rakshita swasya dharmasya swajanasya cha rakshita veda vedanga tattvaඥah dhanurvede cha nishtitah. Rakshita swasya dharmasya, he protects his dharma and his followers, and he protects others' dharmas also. That type of mentality Rama is having. Veda vedanga tattvaඥah, he knows all the Vedas, Vedangas. First lesson you come to know what are the Vedangas, which are those, how many Vedas are there, how many Vedangas are there. This all you come to know. That all he knows. Tattvajnaha, he knows all the Vedangas. Dhanurvede cha nishtitaha. In arrow knowledge, he knows the arrow knowledge also very clearly. When should we use those arrows, on whom we must use, that all thing he knows. Sarva shastrartha tattvajnaha smrtivan prativahanavan sarvaloka priyaha sadhuhu adinatma vichakshanaha. Sarva shastrartha tattvajnaha, he knows all the shastras. Smrtivan, a very intelligent personality he is having. Pratibhanavan, very good character. Sarvaloka priyaha, he loved by all the people. Sadhu, very polite man. Adinatma, very sharpness he is having. He is having very good sharpness. सर्वदाभिगत सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिंधुभिः. He followed by all the good peoples, because all the good people follow the rules of characters of Rama. How they follow the Rama? Samudra iva sindhubhi. How the waves comes in the ocean one by one. Likewise, all the good people follow the rules of Rama in their life. Aryaha sarva samaschaiva, a very good person. And sarva samaha, he looks every person as a one. He will not make partiality between one to other. Sadaiva Priyadarshana. He looks very happily among other peoples. Dhanadena samastyage satye dharma ivaparaha tamevam gunasampannam ramam satyaparakramam. In Tyaga means sacrifice. In sacrifice, he, like a Dhanada, Kubera, he sacrificed everything to all the people. Satya Dharma Ivaparaha. He looks like as a second Dharmaraja, Yamadharma. Tamevam Gunasampannam Ramam Satyaparakramam. This type of Rama we must follow. Prajasukhatve Chandrasya Vasudhayaha Ksamagunaihi Buddhya Brahaspatehe Tulyaha Virre Sakshat Shachipatehe. Prajasukhatve, to give happiness to the people in that cause, he looks like as a Chandra, moon, because when we will feel happy when moon comes. That time in the very hot also, when moon comes, that time we feel a coolness will we feel. That type of feelingness he is having amongst all the people. Vasudhayaha Ksamagunaihi. He excuses all the people if they done any wrong things, like a earth. How earth excuses. Likewise, Rama excused all the people's wrong things. Buddhya Brahaspatehe Tulyaha. By intelligent, he looks like as a Brahaspati. Brahaspati is the teacher of all the gods. Virre Sakshat Shachipatehe. In strength, in power, he looks like as a Indra. Shachipati means Indra. He is having very good power. That type of power also Rama is having. Mriduscha sthirachittascha sada bhavyo anasuyakaha priyavadi cha bhutanam satyavadi cha raghavaha. Mriduscha, he is a very polite man, very kindness man. Sthirachittascha, very good he is having very good control over his mind. Sada bhavyaha, every time he looks very attractive. Anasuyakaha, he doesn't have jealousy in his life. Priyavadi, every time he speaks very smoothly with other person. Satyavadi Charagava, he tells every time truth only. He doesn't speak lie in his life. Devasura Manushyanam Sarvastreshu Visharadaha Samyak Vidya Vratasnato Yathavat Sangavedavit. He knows all the weapons which will be used by devas, gods, devils, Manushas, what type of weapons we will use, those all weapons he knows. How should we use those weapons? When should we use those weapons? On whom should we use those weapons? That type of mentality is Rama is having. Samyak Vidya Vratasnataha Yathavat Sangavedavite. He studied all the Shastras, all the Vidyas, all the education he got यदा वृजति संग्रामं ग्रामार्थे नगरस्य वा गत्वा सौमित्रिसहितो नाविजित्य निवर्तते. Whenever he used to go war field, he will take his brother Lakshmana to war field, and he will not return without success. If that is on grama, on village, or on city, on enemies, anything, any type of war field will be there. Sangramat punaragamya kunjarena rathenama. He will come, he will be back by sitting on the elephant. He will back to his home by all the success. Pauran swajanavid nityam kushalam paripachati putreshu agnishu dareshu preshya shishya ganeshu. He will look after all the people like a relatives. He speaks with all the people like a relatives. Not only in those peoples, but their families also. He will speak like a relative. Putreshu, Agnishu, Dareshu. Dareshu means in their family. Preshya, Shishya, Ganeshu cha. Smitapurva Bhibhashi cha. Dharmam Sarvatmana Shritaha. Samyak Gyokta Shreyasancha Navigrhya Katharuchihi. He speaks with smiley face only. Without crossing the rules of dharma, he will speak with all the people of the country. He will speak with the people about the matter only. He will not cross his limits. Like this he will speak. Ramo lokabhiramo yam shaurya virya parakramaihi prajapalana samyukto naragopahatendriyaha. Rama, this person, lokabhiram. Lokabhiram means every time he is feeling very happiness. Happily he lives his life. If he is having all the power, then also he will not use those powers amongst poor persons. Prajapalana samyukto naragopahatendriyaha. He look into all the people with equally. For some community he doing partiality, not like that. He look into all the people like one. Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha sadhu satyaparakramaha raja sarvasya lokasya devanamiva vasaya. Rama like a idol. Vigrahavan. Dharmaha. Very, very follower of all the dharmas. With neatly. Sadhu, very polite person. Satyaparakrama. He tells only truth in his life. Raja sarvasya lokasya. He is the king for all the states or all the universe. Like a Indra, Deva Anamiva Vasavaha. Like Indra for all the gods. How Indra is king for all the gods, like that this Rama also a king for the whole universe. This is about Adarsha Guna lesson. If you have any doubts, please contact me. We'll do the question answers next lesson. Okay, thank you.